Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios and we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This is the Spectra S1 electric pump, and you guys, this is an amazing option. If you don't know, Spectra is made for moms by moms, so you know that all of those little details, you know that comfort is going to be key. They have really thought of everything. There's a place for a bottle in the back of the pump. This comes with a tote bag for you that is super cute too. So they really think of everything. They make sure that what they make is super comfortable. It can be used as single or double depending on your needs and what is best for your personal performance. This also is going to be super natural, as in their suckling modes are designed to replicate a baby sucking. So it's not going to be, overbearing. It's not going to be something that is unnatural. This is trying to have the experience be as natural as possible. So especially if you are pumping and nursing back and forth, that is going to really, really help you get the best results and your baby get the best results for times when they are feeding and you are not pumping. This is also going to be something that is rechargeable, it's portable, it's amazing for moms on the go, and it's ultra hygienic. Again, it's made by moms, so they put, they're thinking about babies and they're putting that first. Their design makes sure that there's no backflow issues, there's no chance for contamination, and it's all really, really easy to clean and disinfect to make sure that everything is safe and clean. This is just something that is going to make your life easier, have your hands free, and just one less thing to worry about, so you can spend more time with your newborn. This is an amazing option. I encourage you guys to check it out and put it on your registry or put it in the cart. You're gonna be very happy that you did.